Look at early next week. We've got upper 50s, low 60s on the board. Great looking 7-day forecast. That's fun, isn't it?
Huge.
It is. We've also
so
got something
huge.
else.
Check this out.
Even bigger. We're going to give another away a great prize.
It's bigger. It's mammoth.
It's our Like, Watch, and Win contest. Are you saying something to me? Our Like,
No,
Watch, and
not
Win
you,
contest continues. We're giving you another chance to win a great prize, this one to help you and your family and maybe 11 of your closest friends. It's going to be a Pepsi Center Suite, a suite for 12 people at next weekend's Mammoth game. So to enter, just go to thedenverchannel.com, find the link to our Facebook page, like us on Facebook, enter your name, get it in this weekend. We're going to pick our winner Monday night on 7 News at 10.
I've dealt with you now through 2 pregnancies, my wife through 2 pregnancies. I know better than to say anything about huge and women and pregnant and anything like that.
Well, you just said it for the second time this morning now. Yeah.
I just know better. You can see from Air Tracker 7's picture of the Denver Tech Center, looking at a drying out highway, which is really good. We're not seeing any significant problems, but look at the snow that's down in the neighborhoods. Some of the side streets might be a little bit covered in snow, so not a real big deal. I don't think it's slowing down traffic too much, maybe a couple extra minutes, but not a bad drive. You can see on the overall map here this morning, good driving conditions. Had that situation with that guy in this tough shed. It did drop. We watched Air Tracker actually watch the guy pull that. He was dragging that tough shed off of the lanes of South Mississippi by South Santa Fe by Mississippi off into a parking lot, so it is all clear. But yeah, I don't think it's even good enough for a scratch and dent sale. Over the weekend, Highway 93, this section between 128 and 72 will be closed starting tonight all the way through Monday morning. We're going to have closures of the ramp from 74th Avenue to westbound I-76, and westbound I-76 will be reduced by a lane. That starts today through Sunday. That's a big deal. And then over the weekend on Saturday night all the way through Sunday morning, this section of 225, both sides will be closed down at Colfax for bridge work here. So big doings for the weekend as the road work has great weather. The crews have great weather to get that road work done.
That was a big report.
Huge.
Yes.
Mammoth.
And breathe.
Thank you,
All right,
Jason.
both of you in trouble.
No, I didn't say a thing. No, that was very good considering he had his foot in his mouth.